Hi YouTube, UK Lockpicker back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be trying to pick this Assa D12 version 2. It's the one with the safety pin at the top that you need to pick with a dimple pin, which deciphers it from the version 1. Now the keyway, as you can see, is a security keyway, so there is a 90-degree bend there, which makes it nigh on impossible to pick with standard picks. You need, or the job's a lot easier if you make a bendy pick. We're going in with a pry bar, clockwise tension, and let's just see what we can do. See if we can find any binders, which is hard to get feedback because your pick is constantly rubbing against all of the warden. Click off one. Click off two. Nothing on 3, nothing on 4, no 5. I'm going to go in and try and pick the security pin just with a flat flag. I'll put my pick on it. Sometimes a little bit fiddly. Might have got it there. We'll see. Click off 4, 3. Nothing on 2, 1, nothing, I think 1 set, 2 another click, 3's not budging anymore, try and get some headway across the pins. Click off 4 that time, a slight little bit of rotation on the plug. Let's try the security pin again. Pick's a bit too big, but it's worked before. That must be set because I'm not getting any feedback with that. Double check downstairs. Feedback has stopped. I may have overset some of there. Just let off the tension just slightly. Still nothing. Yeah, open. Assa V12 version 2. Oh, I'm so happy to get that on camera. Oh, sorry I went quiet, but I did have to concentrate. So I want to get rid of the vice. Put that down there. Oh, I'm so happy to get that on camera. Jesus. Oh, it took some getting that did. Right, try not to lock this puppy up to get the back off. Just put a pick in there to stop that. Should just come off. This one's actually got a torque fitting on it. Normally it's like a Phillips screw. This one's a little bit different. See if we've got the right torque for it. A bit so hard to get out. Right. Shut it up. Take the collar off. Again, I've never seen that little feature before either. Best way to do that is probably the safest bet to do a shim, but I'm a little bit naughty. What we'll do is we'll get the tweezers. Keep into that side. These are the first pins. Spool, or Assa spool or Assa barrel spool, whichever way you want to look at it. I've just dropped one on the floor, which I'll get in a minute. Lastly but not leastly, put that to one side. There's all the key pins. So in 1, 2. There is something interesting about these pins as well. They're not the same as normal key pins. I'll show you for why in a second, and especially this last one. Right, in there, you should be able to see if it'll focus. Is it going to focus? It's all counter-milled. And it's got little slots cut out, which I'll have to show you in a second. Just let's confirm all the pins are there and all the springs. All barrel spools. I have dropped one on the floor to be honest, but I'll pick that up in a minute. One's there, one's there. That one's there. One's there. There and there. So one interesting feature of this is this pin here that runs straight through the warding all the way to the top and sets at the normal standard shield line. It's probably as best I'm gonna. I'm having trouble with the focus on the camera, but it's a really weird looking pin. But I will put some pictures up just to save the time. But on each one of these pins, it's jagged. Don't know if my camera's gonna pick that up. Let's see if I can pick it up. See the little lines on the side? That's to keep it from spinning around in the plug, because each one of them cuts there, the little V section, corresponds to an Assa key that's got 12 cuts on it rather than 6 for key control. Let's go see if I can find the pin I dropped. That's the pin I dropped. Scene 4. But buzzing to have that on camera. If you liked the video and you'd like to see more, please subscribe and hit the little bell icon in the corner. That way you'll get a nice little reminder to say that I've posted. But other than that, I'll leave you a slideshow of all of the pins and the tools I used to pick the Assa D12 version 2. Single pin picked and dimple picked, so buzzing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join Lock Sport Anonymous on Facebook. It's a Lock Sport group which is brilliant. Thank you.